So now we'll see the analysis of second order system. The closed loop transfer function of the second order system can be written like this: C of s divided by r of s is equals to omega n square divided by s square plus 2 zeta omega ns plus omega n square. So here the student has not written properly. I'll show you how to write the equation. C of s divided by r of s is equals to omega subscript n square, we should write here, divided by s square plus 2, this is zeta, this is read as zeta, omega again subscript n s plus omega subscript n square, we should write like this. Okay, so we should write like this: s square plus 2 zeta. Zeta can be written like this. Zeta can be written like this. Okay, this is read as zeta. This is a closed loop transfer function of a second order system. Okay. So here we'll see the different cases, effect of zeta on second order performance. So considering the input applied to the second order system is unit step, that is r of t is equals to 1. Okay, so we'll see the effect of zeta, what happens for different inputs. If r of t is equals to 1, r of s will be of course 1 by s, as you know. Again, c of s by r of s is equals to, for second order system we know that omega n square, you should write omega subscript n, that 2 should be on omega. Here the student has not written properly, but I have shown you how to write omega. I have shown you how to write like this. You have to write omega subscript n square divided by s square plus 2 zeta, that is read as zeta, 2 zeta omega subscript n omega n s plus omega n square. Okay, so again c of s, you know that r of s is equals to 1 by s. Okay, that r of s you have taken right side, this, okay, 1 by s into this expression. Okay, so again finding the roots, of s square plus 2 zeta omega ns plus omega n square is equals to 0. That is by using that's quadratic equation. That is to find the roots: minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Okay, a. So by using that formula, if you find the roots, okay, the same formula has been used here. So if you find the roots will be s is equals to minus zeta omega n plus or minus omega n under root of zeta square minus 1. Okay, so plus or minus is there here, 2 roots are there, so I have written in that equation c of s is equal to omega n square divided by s in the bracket s plus zeta omega n plus omega n under root of zeta square minus 1, and the second root is zeta plus omega n minus omega n under root of zeta square minus 1. Okay, so we'll see here the different cases. The first case is when the value of zeta is in between 1 and infinity. So already we know the two roots. One is already we have calculated here, we have done here. These are the two roots. One is plus root and second one is minus root, that is minus zeta omega n plus omega n under root of zeta square minus 1, and second one is minus zeta omega n minus omega n under root of zeta square minus n. Okay, so that's why I have written that one as s1 comma 2. Okay, so that roots I am considering as a constant here. One is minus k1 and one is minus k2. So here, so first one is referred as minus k1, second root, that is minus root, is considered as minus k2. So that expression I have written like this: omega n square, for easier simplification. That is the only reason. S into s plus k1, s into s plus k2. Again by using partial fractions. Okay, you know how to do the partial fractions, and by taking inverse Laplace transform. Okay, c of t is equals to css plus ct of t, where a is steady state output. Okay, so if you keep the value of zeta is equals to 1 2 3, okay, the output is purely exponential. See here, the output is purely exponential only. If you keep the value of zeta 1 2 3, So all the values will get in terms of exponential only. So this case is referred as overdamped. That means when the zeta value is in between 1 to infinity, right, the case will be overdamped. Okay. Second one is again case 2, when zeta is equals to 1. Again we know the roots, the same roots will be there. If we substitute the value of zeta is equals to 1 in those roots, yes, 1 comma to those two roots will be minus omega 1 only. Okay, minus omega. So that means the roots are real, the roots are equal and negative. Okay, so if we substitute those roots value, so c of s is equals to omega n square divided by s into s plus omega n square, again by using partial fractions. Okay, that is omega n square a divided by a plus b whole square can be written as in terms of partial fraction. The first term will write a divided by s, second term this one b divided by s plus omega subscript n, and third one is c divided by s plus omega n square. Again if you take its inverse Laplace transform, so we'll get this. Okay, again CSS is equals to e here, and outputs will be again exponential only. Okay, so this case is referred as critically damped. When zeta value is equals to 1, this case is referred as critically damped. So similarly, when zeta value is less than, zeta value is lying in between 0 and 1, again we know the roots. Okay, let us consider zeta value is less than 1. So again less than 1 means again negative value means you will get roots, complex conjugate roots you will get here. Again if you take Laplace transform, after taking Laplace transform, if you solve this, you will get again this expression. So that means here again, here there you will get oscillatory response. So such oscillatory response is referred as underdamped here. That means when the value of zeta is lying in between 0 and 1, so the case will be underdamped. So the last case, when zeta value is 0, so if you substitute the value of zeta 0 there in the roots, you will get this, that yes, those roots will be complex conjugate with real part. So in that case, if you again solve the equation, right, again you will get this equation c of t is equals to, again sinusoidal waveform will get, okay, so that is oscillation with constant frequency will get here. So such case is also referred as underdamped case only. Okay, so here in the table we have listed, so when the value of zeta is equals to, roots are purely imaginary and with oscillations, so system classification is underdamped. So like this we have written all the 4 cases we have listed here.